So I've got a little plastic tray here to empty the bag out into so stuff doesn't roll off the bench. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff. The sticky tape has grabbed a number of things we're going to need, like the little spacers here for the LEDs. Be sure to get everything out of the bag. We'll set the bag aside and we can start to sort. You've seen me use a lot of these. It's a I think it's DLT tape. Anyhow, it's a tape backup tape storage case. I ended up with a large number of these some time ago, and they actually work pretty well for this kind of stuff. Those are some big screws. Some big screws. I think all of this kind of loose stuff can go in here. That screwdriver not magnetized. These must be aluminum. There's a big screw. I'm sure it's really exciting watching me sort hardware here. And of course I've cut my fingernails, so I can't pick stuff up. A lot of stuff here. A lot of hardware. Wow, that screw does not want to be picked up and captured. Another metal spacer, another metal spacer. And there's some little, what I think are nylon nuts. Well, these might be metal. The way that it's stuck to the needle nose says it's metal. That looks like it's an aluminum nut. Another spacer. The washer for the power switch. I don't see any more bits and pieces of hardware floating around in there. We've got resistors, loose resistor. Another loose resistor. Just set the wire ties aside. I don't think they need to be, in this case, captured. Bunch of diodes for the switches. Come on. keep picking the same one up and then drop it, and it falls back in the container, and I pick it up and drop it, and it falls back in the container. Come on. I'm guessing these are just small signal diodes. Of course, one of the diodes is again trying to fall out of my hand. I think I've dropped half of them after picking them up. I see a resistor I missed earlier. Resistor. Looks to me like it's all the diodes. More pieces of hardware that didn't get sorted out. And I guess we can go ahead and get the LEDs preloaded into the little spacers. Maybe. This is going to take a bit. Now I watched somebody else's video of assembly. It wasn't super detailed, but he said the little holes here. So one side's got two little holes, the other side's open, and the two little holes go down towards the PCB. That's opposite how I did this on my other build. Makes it a little bit tough here to put together. Let's get the main PCB and just do a trial fit. One of these. Little icon here, or little graphic showing the long lead, goes to this side of the board. So, well, that definitely grabs the LED. So we'll just keep assembling here. Yeah, I will I'll stop recording at this point. You don't want to sit and watch me sort all these and put the little standoffs on all the LEDs. That would make the video even more boring. So anyhow, I will continue to get all the LEDs put together, and in the next video we'll come back and start assembly. So we'll talk soon.